Good day, ladies and gentlemen, and I certainly hope this movie file is finding you well. Okay, what this tutorial or whatever you want to call this mess is all about is this Samsung USB 3.0 128 gigabyte flash drive or a thumb drive. And the main reason I'm making this video right here is to show you how to make this drive right here compatible between the Mac OS and, say, Windows 10. Okay, now give me a chance to plug this into my Mac. And by the way, that's called a bar metal. That's what they call it, a bar metal drive. It's the model number or whatever, or the model name, excuse me. Okay, I inserted that into my MacBook Pro. And you should have seen the icon jump up there, excuse me. Okay, now the first thing I'm going to do here, I'm going to right mouse click on this. I'm going to go to get information. And of course, my information's got to go sail and clear off the map there, like usual, you know. All right, now the thing I want you to pay attention to right there is the format. exFAT. Now this is the main thing here. You wanna format this particular drive and all of them that you can to the exFAT filing system, because Windows and Macintosh just don't play nice together with the NTFS or the FAT32. If you'll format this to the exFAT, right there where you see my mouse cursor, the exFAT filing system, you can transfer great big large files. Now I just got done running a test. I took 12 4K video files, 12 of them, at a grand total of let me look at my notes here, 40.24 gigabytes of data. Let me show you. Let me open up this drive here and show you exactly so you believe me. Okay, them files right there. Of course, I realize that doesn't mean a heck of a lot to you folks, but there's exactly, like I say, 40 gigabytes worth of data. And when I wrote, the very first thing I did, because this drive is brand new, is I formatted it to the exFAT filing system. And the next thing I did was wrote these files right there, which is 40 gigabytes worth of files. I wrote them to this USB jump drive, okay? And it took 18 minutes and 45 seconds. And why that was is beyond me, because the write time on my Razer Blade Pro laptop, by the way, that Razer Blade Pro laptop, Win 10 laptop, mine's brand new. This MacBook Pro, mine's a couple years old, but it only took 4 minutes and 45 seconds to write 40 gigabytes of data to my PC. But like I say, 18 minutes and 30 seconds to copy those 12 files right there, okay? And they're 4K .mov files. There's 12 of them. Okay, let me make that go away there for a second. Okay, now the next thing we're going to do here, let me run down here to Finder, and I'll show you how this is done here. Very, very simple. You go to your applications folder, then you go to your utilities folder and open up this guy, and then you go to your disk utility right there, okay? Let me pull this disk utility down here so you can see it. Let me zoom up on that. Okay, now in this movie file, you can format this to the exFAT filing system on your PC, but I'm just doing it on the Mac here. But you want to click on where it says Samsung USB right there, see? And let me zoom up just a little bit more here. I got my timer in my doggone face here. I can't see nothing. But you see where it says erase right here? That's what you're going to want to do. I want to erase these files out of here because it was just a test anyway, like I just got done telling you. But you hit that erase right there, and you can see, that I'm already on the expat filing system. You got to have that for compatibility between Windows 10 and the latest version of the latest release of the Mac OS. Right there, you want expat. And of course you can rename this this drive, anything you want to. But I'm going to go ahead and erase those files that you just got done seeing there. Okay. That's basically done. And that really is all there is to it. It's no great big complicated deal there. But I just thought I'd crank this up because I just got done running that great big experiment I was telling you about. I transferred 40 gigabytes worth of movie files off this Mac onto my Razor Blade Pro and then those times I quoted you and all that good kind of stuff like that. So, but that's how you do it. That's how you get, this. And by the way, this Samsung thumb drive is really, really good. No, it didn't get hot or anything like that. It worked very, very well. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and just eject this because, well, matter of fact, let me go ahead. For craps and giggles, open it up. Say it's empty, which is exactly what I wanted because I already copied the files over to my PC. So anyway, there you are, ladies and gentlemen, and I'll eject this drive, but just remember that you got to format that USB jump drive there, that Samsung, where are we at here with this? Okay, eject. You got to format it to the exFAT filing system. Okay, this file is way too long. Thank you very much for putting up with me. I hope I made some sense. Don't make this stuff very complicated, but that exFAT filing system is the way to go, really, if you want good compatibility on this particular drive right here, which it's a good drive, between the Mac OS and Windows 10. Okay, folks, have a nice day. We'll see you on down the trail.